Today we're going to be working on multiplying and dividing rational expressions. We're going to be using the same techniques we used when we were simplifying rational expressions, which is we need to factor each part of the expression, both numerator and denominator, completely. So we start with 3y minus 6, and that can be factored into 3 times y minus 2. 6y plus 12 can be factored into 6 times y plus 2. Now y squared minus 4 is a difference of two perfect squares, so that factors into y plus 2 and y minus 2. And finally, y squared minus 5y plus 6 can be factored into y minus 3 and y minus 2. Once each part has been factored completely, we look at factors of the numerator and denominator that are consistent and that we can cross out. So we see we have a y minus 2 on top, can be crossed out with a y minus 2 on the bottom. A y plus 2 on the bottom can be crossed out with a y plus 2 on the top. And we can see that 3 and 6 can be factored into 1 and 2. Once we have factored and crossed out each part that we can, we multiply straight across numerator, multiply straight across denominator. So our final answer is going to be y minus 2 over 2 times y minus 3. When we get into division, we use the same process. We have one extra step though. Before we can change to a division problem, we need to turn it into a multiplication problem. So what we do is we use keep, change, flip. What that means is we change the first keep the first expression, x squared plus 2x minus 8 over 8x minus 16. We change the second expression to multiplication, and we flip the second expression using the reciprocal 2x plus 10 divided by x squared minus 16. Now, we treat it just like we did the multiplication problem and factor each part individually. So, x squared plus 2x minus 8 factors into x plus 4, x minus 2. 8x minus 16 factors into 8 times x minus 2. 2x plus 10 factors into 2 times x plus 5. And x squared minus 16, the difference of our squares, factors into x minus 4 times x plus 4. Now, we cross out common factors on numerators and denominators. So, we have x minus 2 on the bottom, crosses out x minus 2 on the top, x plus 4 on the top, we crossed out with x plus 4 on the bottom. Nothing else to be canceled, so now we multiply across. What we're left with on the top is 2 times x plus 5 divided by 8 x minus 4. But wait, you see the 2 and the 8 can be reduced even further. So we could divide by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So our final answer is x plus 5 over 4 times x minus 4.